Highway surveyors play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of our roadways. These professionals are responsible for gathering data and conducting surveys to ensure the accuracy and safety of our highways. One such group of highway surveyors is located in Saket, Delhi. Scon Design is a renowned company in Delhi that offers a wide range of services, including highway surveying. Their team of skilled professionals in Saket is dedicated to providing accurate and reliable surveying solutions for highway projects. When it comes to highway surveying, accuracy is of utmost importance. The information gathered by surveyors is used to plan and design roadways, ensuring that they meet safety standards and are efficient for travelers. Highway surveyors in Saket are equipped with the latest technology and tools to carry out their work with precision. They use advanced surveying instruments such as total stations, GPS receivers, and laser scanners to collect data on various aspects of the highway, including its alignment, elevation, and cross-sectional profile. Scon Design, based in Saket, Delhi, has a team of highly skilled and experienced highway surveyors who are well-versed in using these advanced surveying instruments. They have extensive knowledge of surveying techniques and methodologies, allowing them to collect accurate data for highway projects. Whether it is a new road construction or the expansion of an existing highway, these surveyors ensure that the design meets all necessary requirements. The role of highway surveyors extends beyond just collecting data. They also analyze and interpret the data to provide valuable insights for the design and construction process. By accurately measuring distances, angles, and elevations, surveyors can determine the most suitable route for a highway and identify potential obstacles or challenges that may need to be addressed during the construction phase. This information is crucial for engineers and designers to create a safe and efficient roadway system. In Saket, Delhi, Scon Design stands out as a reliable provider of highway surveying services. Their team of skilled surveyors not only collects accurate data but also collaborates closely with engineers and designers to ensure that the final design meets all necessary specifications. They use their expertise to identify potential issues early on, allowing for effective planning and mitigation strategies. In conclusion, highway surveyors in Saket play a vital role in ensuring the accuracy and safety of our roadways. Scon Design, a prominent company in Delhi, has a team of skilled professionals who specialize in highway surveying. With their expertise and advanced surveying instruments, they provide accurate data and valuable insights for the design and construction of highways. Their commitment to quality makes them a reliable choice for any highway project in Saket and beyond. Highway surveyors in Saket play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of road infrastructure in the region. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys and assessments to ensure the proper alignment, grading, and drainage of highways. They use advanced tools and techniques to gather accurate data on the existing conditions of the road.